What is up everyone, Famous Goal Horns here. Today, I'll be making a tutorial on a topic that many of you have been asking me for years. You guessed it, how do I make goal horns? Today, I'll be unveiling the secret to my YouTube channel right here in this video. In this video, I'll be covering in depth of how to make a goal horn along with the goal song. It is quite simple actually, if you have the right tools. By the end of this video, I'm hoping that all of you will be able to become goal horn makers and be able to make custom goal horns for yourself or for others. The reason why I'm unveiling my secret after hiding it for so long is that I personally feel that the goal horn community is dying. With the absence of NHL horns and songs and N2B goal horns, I have felt quite lonely in this community. Furthermore, I believe that goal horns should be easily accessible for everyone, meaning that people should not pay to hear goal horns. I want to see this community strive in hopes of EA noticing the goal horn community and fixing the accuracy of goal horns in their future games. It was also quite painful to see the NHL DJs butchering the goal horns for each respective teams in the playoffs this season. But anyways, let's dive right into it. First, find the recording of the goal horn you want to use. What I like to do is to go on YouTube and search for the goal horn model. I get this information from thefaceoff.net, so make sure to check them out as well as for the best center ice graphics. As you can see here, there are a lot of videos uploaded by several people. Let's check this one out. Nice horn sound. It's very crispy. Alright, it's time for the goal song. Search the song you want to use on YouTube. I'll use the Habs goal song. Now, copy and paste the links of the two videos and convert them into MP3 files. Next, let's download the software you need to actually edit the horn and song files called Audacity. I use Audacity because it's quite simple to use. There's other alternatives such as GarageBand or I don't know, there's a lot out there, but I use Audacity because it's also free. I'll link the Audacity website in the description below. Without Audacity, my YouTube channel cannot exist, essentially. Here, just download the latest version available on the Audacity website. It really depends per what kind of operating system your device is, whether it's Windows or Mac. But since I have Windows, I will be downloading this. And as soon as that downloads, just click the .exe file. And then since I already have it downloaded, mine will go straight to Audacity. But I'm certain that all of you will be able to download it easily. Of course, if there are problems, just let me know down in the comment section. I'll try to help all of you guys out. So in Audacity, we'll open the file that we downloaded. So let's go down here and click on both the goal horn file and the goal song file. This recording, as I said earlier, it's very crispy. And when you're looking for a goal horn file on the internet, you should be looking for crowd-free noises because it's easier to edit, and crispy files are preferred. But of course, you cannot get what you want in life, so sometimes I have to work with what I got. But in scenarios like this, I've got lucky, so here we are. So to create a new blast, I drag and then select the file, or let me select the area more like, and then copy, Control C for Windows, and then Control V. What that does is copies it and pastes it into a new line. In here you can select and delete the useless noises in the background. And I'll press delete, and it's gone. As you can see here, now we got 3 blasts, 2 short ones and 1 long one. So essentially, now we'll be going to Effect Panel and then press Gverb. Gverb is a plugin that you can download on, I believe, another website, but I shall link that down below. So in Gverb, more like, you have a couple of settings here. So in the Gverb tab, these are the settings I use. You can just copy and paste it into your own software. I use these settings because it replicates the best in-arena sound effect. So it actually sounds like you're in the stadium itself. So once you get your settings in, click apply. And then as you can see, our goal horn, with our horn sound effect for the first line, it will shrink because it got quieter once you have the reverb effect. So go into the effects panel and then click on amplify, and then it pretty much increases the volume. And as you can see here, we have created our horn blasts. So this is quite similar to what you can do in the NHL video game series, where you can create multiple blasts in your custom team's goal horn. But this is more manual because Audacity, it's like mixing audio software. So now you just do a little bit of adjustments like amplifying, and then to make sure that all the blasts have the same audio, the same level of amplification. And then it sounds good. And we got this extra reverb noise at the end, so we'll press fade out. Alright, now we'll be adding our goal song. So go into your goal song tab and then copy, and then paste it into the horn tab we opened, and just paste it there. And then we have the song underneath the horn. There you go. And then for the song, we'll be adding Gverb again, because, you know, I love Gverb, if you guys couldn't tell in my videos. But for the song, I also added a bass boost, because songs, I realize, in the actual arenas, they're more bass boosted than songs, let's say, you would hear through your headphones. So once you bass boost it, it will sound like this. Sounds good to me. And again, we can click on the side. On the side here, we have our gains tab. And what it does is that you can control pretty much the volume of each audio track. And again, we come to the end over here, and then click on fade out to make the reverb fade out. And then what you want to do is export as MP3. I like to export it in the insane quality format, because obviously it exports it in the highest quality as possible, and I want to deliver it to you as the highest quality goal horns on YouTube. So once you get that, it will export the audio, and then we'll check out the audio to make sure it exported. And then after that, we'll click on and let's check out the audio to make sure it exported correctly. Alright, it sounds good. Yep, sounds good to me. And there you have it. This has been the tutorial of how to make a goal horn. So essentially, it's a pretty tedious process, but for me, since I have to make graphics as well, it takes around 2 hours per goal horn video during the regular season. But yeah, If you have any questions, just drop it down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to help you guys out. And as always, subscribe and leave a like on the video, and see you next time.